Welcome to today's discussion on Python tkinter, where we'll explore an interesting topic that often puzzles developers, detecting arrow keys when an alternate key is pressed. If you're building graphical user interfaces in Python using the tkinter library, chances are you've stumbled upon this challenge before. Being able to capture and respond to keyboard events, including those tricky situations when multiple keys are pressed simultaneously, is crucial for creating a seamless user experience. In this video, we'll delve into the world of event handling in tkinter, specifically focusing on how to identify when an arrow key is pressed while another key is already being held down. This might seem like a minor detail, but it's incredibly important for applications that require precise control or specific keyboard shortcuts. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clear understanding of the concepts and steps involved in tackling this issue. When working with tkinter, handling key events is typically managed through the use of event handlers. These are functions that get called when certain events occur within your application's window, such as button clicks or key presses. However, detecting arrow keys when another key is pressed can be more complex due to how tkinter handles keyboard events. The challenge arises because most operating systems report keyboard events in a specific way. When you press an alternate key, like Shift or TRL, and then press an arrow key, the application receives the event for the alternate key being held down, but might not directly inform you that an arrow key is pressed at the same time. This doesn't mean it's impossible. Rather, we need to approach it from a different angle. One way to tackle this issue is by using the pinput library in conjunction with tkinter. The pinput library provides a cross-platform way of monitoring and controlling user input. By setting up a keyboard listener, you can capture global key presses and releases, including those that occur while your application's window is focused on another task or when an alternate key is pressed. To make this work seamlessly with tkinter, you'll need to integrate the pinput library with your existing event handling logic. This might require some adjustments in how you structure your code, especially around managing global variables and ensuring that both libraries play nicely together. Using analogies can help simplify these concepts. Think of using tkinter for local keyboard events as listening to music within a room, your application, where it's easy to control the volume or change tracks because everything is contained. On the other hand, integrating pinput is like installing external speakers that allow you to hear and adjust sounds coming from outside the room, global key presses. This way, even if someone else controls the music outside your room, you can still respond accordingly. The challenge of detecting arrow keys while an alternate key is pressed in tkinter requires a nuanced approach. Utilizing the pinput library can provide a solution by enabling the capture of global keyboard events. Integrating pinput with tkinter involves adjusting your code structure to handle global variables and potential conflict. Detecting arrow keys when an alternate key is pressed in Python tkinter might seem daunting at first, but it's definitely achievable. By leveraging libraries like pinput, you can extend the capabilities of your application to better serve your users' needs. If you have any questions about this topic or need further clarification on integrating pinput with tkinter for handling keyboard events globally, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Your engagement helps create a community that benefits everyone involved in Python development. Like this video, if it helped clarify things for you, and consider subscribing for more content related to tackling complex challenges in software development, especially within the realm of GUI applications using Python tkinter.